Hello everyone! So in the last video of the Scratch tutorial, I showed you everything about the motion blocks. So today I'm going to show you everything about the Looks tab. So I'll open Scratch here. Now here you can see there's this motion tab and there's this Looks tab. In the previous Scratch video, I covered up these motion blocks. So today I'm going to cover up these looks blocks here. So let's get right into it. In the first block, we have say hello for 2 seconds. So here you can see if I run this cat will say hello for 2 seconds and the message will be gone. So I can change the message from here if I want. I'll write subscribe. Now it will say subscribe for 2 seconds. So the next one is say hello. Like in the previous one, the both when we run it says hello. But the second one, after we press it, it won't stop. Like it will go on forever. But the say hello for 2 seconds one, it will only say the hello message until 2 seconds. After that, it will be gone. The next one is think for 2 seconds. Okay, so I run this so you can see it's thinking for 2 seconds. Now you would think that the first one and the third one are both the same, but no, because you can see the say hello messages, this down bit here, it's different than this think one. See, the think one has these circles, but this one don't have it. So the next one is think just like the second one, it won't stop. It'll go on forever. The next one is switch costume to. So in the previous video, I showed you these 3 tabs here. In this, when we go to this costumes tab, you can see here there are costume 1 and costume 2. You can see these two shapes, the character is changed. So if you don't like the names of costume 1 and 2, you can change them like this. Like that, you can change the name of that costume. You can see it's changed. So when we click this, you can see there are these names. We can switch between those. Like if I put switch costume to Scratch Cat, if I run it, it's already in the Scratch Cat costume. You can see here. So if I shift it to costume 2, you can see when I run it, the Scratch Cat will change. The next one is next costume. Next costume means you can switch between the 2 costumes like that. The next one is switch backdrop to backdrop 1. You might have seen this down bit here. When I select it and then I go to the backdrops tab, after that you can see here there's this backdrop 1. You know, a backdrop is where the Scratch Cat is standing, like the behind of the Scratch Cat. So I can change this backdrop. I can draw squares like that, but I can't change it. I can only change them by here. So like that we can make a backdrop. So I can select this square like this, and then I can enlarge it. I'll fit this square to the whole screen, so this scratch cat will be on a purple screen. If you don't like to do like that, you can simply fill this background after making a shape. After you make a shape like that, you can fill it with red color like that. You can do like that. And also we can create more backdrops. We can import them, we can make ones, like we can draw, or we could get one from this backdrop gallery. In the previous video I showed you the sprite gallery, but this is the backdrop gallery. You can search for backdrops here. See here. So for example, I'll take the Arctic. You can see the Arctic is the third backdrop. And you can delete these backdrops like this. Like that. You can switch backdrop to backdrop 1. I can change it to Arctic, or I can change it to next, or I could change it to previous. Since there's only 2 backdrops there, whatever you select in this will all be like switching between those 2. But if you have a lot of backdrops, you have to think and then put it. So the next one is next backdrop. Like this one, the next costume one, like it will switch between the costumes. This will switch between the backdrops, like that. The next one is change size by. Now this is change size by 10. You can see the normal size was 100 there, and this change size by means additionally 10. So it added 10 to this 100. You can see it will increase its size by 10. But this is set size to 100, like that. You can see it shrink to 100. Change size by 10. You can see it's increasing by 10. And then if I want to set it to 100 again, I can put this block like that. It's shrink to 100. The next one is change color effect by 25. So here when I run this, you can see the scratch cat's color will change. I can set this to 1 if I want, but then the colors will stay there for a long time. So I'll change it to 25. If I can show you a little program. From this you can make the scratch cat's color change. I'll put a little time here because it's not necessary to put a long time. And if I run this, you can see the scratch cat's color is changing. If you can't see the program, I will maximize it from here and see the scratch cat's color will change. So I'll delete that program and then I'll come to here. Set color effect 2. Like the previous change size by and set size 2, and these two also work like these two. This will increase the normal color effect by 25, like this increasing the normal size by 10. But this will set the color effect 2, just like this, set size 2. You might have get it, right? If I will change the color and then I'll put set color effect to 0, you can see it changed to normal. So I'll delete all these blocks. Then you can see there's this clear graphic effects. Oh, and there was something I forgot to mention. If you take this block or this, when you click this arrow, you can see there are these lots of options here. So, for example, pixelate, you can see the scratch cat is pixelating. I don't want to be like this, so I'll set pixelate effect to 0. Like that, you can set the cat to normal. And use this set block, you can simply use this clear graphic effects. So I will change the scratch cat's color, and also I will set its I will pixelate it with another change pixelate effect by 25 block. You can see now it's really ugly, but when I press this, you can see all those effects go and then the normal scratch cat come. So the next one is show and hide. I can hide the scratch cat if I want by running this. Like that, the scratch cat's gone. And I can show it also like that. So in the middle of the program, if I want the scratch cat to hide at the beginning when the green flag is clicked, I can use this program, and then I will I'll wait 1 second. No, I'll put it to 5 seconds, and then I'll show. So if I run this, you can see it will hide at the first, and after 5 seconds, wait like that, it will show again. So that's what we do with these two blocks. So I'll delete those, and then you can see here this go to front layer, and if you click this front and back layer, there are two. So if there are a lot of sprites, this is the sprite gallery. I'll select some lot of sprites, a banana, a balloon, the scratch cat was there, and a beach ball. You can see I can't remember the layer, but still you can see here there are these layers. You can see after this is this, after this is this, after this is this. So the beach ball is at the first layer, the most front layer in the program. So if I want to send this beach ball backwards, I can go to back layer. But still it'll only go behind this banana. But if I want to send it behind this scratch cat, I will have to repeat this program two more times. 1 and 2. Now the beach ball will be behind the scratch cat even though you can't see it. So I'll delete these sprites. I think you got the point, right? The next one is go forward. If I had those sprites which I had later before, I can send the scratch cat forward 1 layer. If I have 100 sprites, I can if I want to send this cat to the most front layer, I can change it to 100. Since there are no sprites, I won't do it. So I'll delete this block. Okay, today I covered up all the blocks in this look tabs. So if you have not seen the part 1 of this Scratch tutorial, I will prefer to go and watch that, where I will explain all these motion blocks. So If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any great videos like this which will help you a lot. So bye.